As the country continues to prepare for an active hurricane season, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has issued a charge to the Jamaica Public Service to ensure its network is ready. He was speaking at the National Disaster Risk Management Council meeting today. Kelisha Williams reports.
Almost a year ago, Hurricane Beryl devastated the southern sections of the island. It was quite unusual for such a major storm to develop so soon into the hurricane season. So with the season again upon us, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness said the country is ready.
We have also advanced the review of our National Disaster Risk Management Framework, and we are developing a new policy to ensure we are fit for purpose.
As for the utility companies, Mr. Holness has made this appeal.
The JPS must undertake a comprehensive review of its distribution network and replace those compromised and broken poles. And I know that the JPS is addressing that, but we must say it publicly and we must hold them to account for it, to move very swiftly. The NWC has to develop independent power sources. It has to have its own backup strategy, its own backup capability. And so the government has started work towards ensuring that the critical areas for supply and distribution, that those pumping stations will have backup generators.
From a financial perspective, Finance Minister Favour Williams says more money has been allocated to the National Disaster Risk Management Funding Mechanism.
Our disaster financing policy takes into consideration those events that are high frequency but low severity, such as floods, and these can be dealt with through budget reallocation or reserve and the contingency funds to provide immediate resources for relief efforts.
However, while steps are being taken to prepare for what has been described as an above-normal Atlantic hurricane season with about 19 possible storms, not much can be done to limit the effects of the brutal heat and the Saharan dust. Many Jamaicans have already been complaining about the heat, and according to Principal Director at the Met Service, Evan Thompson, it will get even hotter.
But we would normally have like 32, 33, sometimes degrees in Kingston and for much of the island, mainly along the coast, maybe 33 to 34 degrees during the height of the summer. But we could see temperatures rising a little bit above that. And that is because this year we have a number of factors that could increase the actual temperature that we experience. And that is likely to be right through the hurricane season, actually.
As many would expect, the Saharan dust currently impacting the island has made things worse. And so over the next few weeks,
the projection was that it would continue until Wednesday, which is today. After this, we should see a lull, but then we will have just like the tropical waves that keep coming across right throughout the season, we're likely to see these plumes from time to time. But sometimes hardly noticeable because it's so light and not really dense.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.